Hi, my name's Jenny Martin, and I'm part of the 14th cohort of the Data School at the Information Lab, and I'm also one of the Dr. Preppers for Prep and Data, which is where we're going to be getting the workflow from for today's video. So our video today is looking at investigating errors in Tableau Prep. So I want you to imagine the scenario that you have a workflow that is published to your Tableau server using Tableau Prep Conductor. It is scheduled to run every day, but you receive an email to say that there's been an error and that it has failed running. So let's have a look at how that looks on Tableau server. So here is the workflow that we're using. It's from week 37 of Prep and Data 2020. So this is the workflow that we have. It looks, pretty standard, but we can see it failed at this time and it's got an error. So we hover over to see what the error says. It says that one or more steps in the flow has the error. So what we need to do is we need to download the flow, investigate it in Tableau Prep Builder, and then republish it to run it again. So okay, I've downloaded it and opened it up. And we can see that our eyes are drawn to this exclamation mark here and this alert up in the top right hand corner. So here it's saying that there's an error in our join, which we can see, yep. There's a field missing from the left side. So the missing field is number of days. Okay, that's a really specific error that we can go and investigate. So we have a look in our join and we can see, yep, there doesn't seem to be a number of days field, even though it's selected. It's a bit ambiguous in the error message that it's from the number of days is from the left input, but luckily the color coding of Tableau Prep helps us out here. So it's from the green input, so that's here. And yes, we can see that somebody in our workflow has indeed removed the number of days field, so we can just X out that change and we can see that all the alerts, all the errors have disappeared, so that if we were to republish this to the server, then we would hopefully find that when we replace it and then run it on the server, that error message will have disappeared. So let's just try that out for you so that you believe me. So we're running it on the server and it's pending run now. And this time we can see that the status of the run has been successful. So that's great. We fixed the error, re-uploaded it, and all went well. So that's kind of how you deal with investigating errors in Tableau Prep. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel. Check out our previous video on scheduling a workflow using Tableau Prep Conductor, and check out some of our related videos now that this series has come to an end. There's still plenty of great content out there on our YouTube channel, such as the Think Like a Data Prepper series that Carl recorded, which isn't so much going into the specifics of Tableau Prep, but more the mindset that you need to have when preparing your data. So go check those out, and thank you for supporting this series.